Okay guys, we're back on the Mountain High YouTube channel. Today is our first day with some snow. As you guys can see, it's all around on the ground right here. We have the John Deere, the Mastercraft in the background right there. So we're gonna have some fun today in the snow, driving them around. I figured out a way to start the Mastercraft a quick starting because the key doesn't work and stuff like that, but that's okay, that's just fine. So let's get going on this. Okay guys, check it out. We got the Mastercraft all assembled from our last video. This morning I did an oil change on it, so it has fresh oil. I didn't realize, but it had this like a black drip in it, like a little bit, like a freaking cup of oil left in there. So that could have been good for it. Here's the John Deere, has its chains on already. I checked its oil, it's okay. This one right here is just a frame. You guys haven't seen this one. This is the first time I'm showing it on the YouTube channel. So that's a Honda ride lawnmower frame. It's a 5-speed, has a reverse and neutral. These are homemade wheels I put on there. I welded them to the rim of the old wheel. These are Trollo wheels. That's really good chassis. Okay guys, so we're probably gonna get the plow on the John Deere, so we're gonna pull up on that. I gotta gas up the Mastercraft. We're gonna do some donuts. Keep posted. Okay guys, so it looks like there's really not that much snow, not enough to do plowing with the John Deere. I just was a little too excited to get the plow out. So, but really we can play around with the Mastercraft with those big tiles and slide around the snow a little bit. So let's do that, have some fun with that, because the John Deere was really just scraping on a lot of dirt. Okay, so that was the John Deere was plowing, but it's just scraping out. This is some really thin snow we got. I just decided to take the ride lawnmowers out for snow of the season since last year. So we're gonna blaze the Mastercraft. I'm gonna show you guys how we started up. There's this quick way, kind of a fast secret way I found to start this thing up, so we don't have to go through too much trouble. So let's check that out. Okay guys, so it's just like starting it any other way. You have to have hold your brake. I like to keep the rabbit turtle speed in the middle. You have to have your key to start, to on actually. The choke, I already started it up and drove right here. So I'm gonna have it in the middle. This thing's kind of funky. So I fixed the hood while it stays open. So I got this wire right here, and we're just gonna go right down to the starter. I'm gonna get down and show them. We'll go right down to that starter nut down there, and then I'm gonna hold it on that. So there's that nut right there, and that's the starter. So I'm gonna hold it on that, and then I will just press it against right here. Okay, there you go. That's okay, guys, so we're gonna take this thing down, that trail down there, all around right there. We're gonna do some donuts with this new craft. Let's get at it. Okay, so it doesn't turn off or start from the key, so I just faded it out with the choke. It's probably not that good for it, but it's one way to turn it off. It's running really well, so we're gonna take it. We're gonna take the John Deere, we're gonna take the plow off the John Deere and take them both down that hill right there and see how it has them right on more classic fun with them. So stay posted. This is the Mountain High YouTube channel. You guys always feel free to comment, subscribe, hit that like. Let's get going.